Great day! Getting out of my nice cozy bed. In my nice cozy house. I'm gonna go for a nice cozy stroll around the neighborhood.
Okay, you are really scaring me.
I'm Metallic Murphy, I scare people. Hey, on Metallic Murphy time. I'm going to go for a walk around my neighborhood and hopefully do something cool.
Run away.
Comes back to me every time. Oh, I'm gonna go chase those people. Oh, a bike! I'm gonna steal it. It's really hard to put over my mask. I mean, my face. Yeah. Now let's go. You know what? Forget the helmet.
That's my bike! Oh!
I don't care.
Give me back my bike! What the heck?
You look like Super Ninja. I hate Super Ninja. Oh, bird. I like to scare birds. Metallic Murphy? Super Ninja? What are you doing in my neighborhood?
Your neighborhood?
It's in my neighborhood.
It is?
Yes.
You live here?
I live around here. What are you
didn't know.
doing here?
I'm just climbing things. What are... Oh, wait, you live here. I forgot. Okay.
Get out of my neighborhood right now,
Why?
or I'll make you.
Sure. I've beaten you a lot. I can do it again.
Well, it isn't your show this time. Ooh, children at a playground. A challenging hill. Oh! Super Ninja? Ah! Super Ninja? Still following me around?
Yes, you're my enemy.
I'm not doing anything to you. I'm just trying to take a nice stroll in my neighborhood.
A stroll? You're on a bike.
Yeah, bike guy.
I can save all the files and like
Stop following me. Ninja! Let me go for a bike! Ride.
Get in okay. Causing any trouble. Hey! Don't hit me!
I think I lost him. I think I lost him. Whoa, that cat is freaky. Freakier than me. I'm just gonna take a rest around here.
I'm gonna steal my bike back!
Hey!
Oh,
That's mine! I stole it!
yeah! I'm stealing it back! Ah!
Idiot!
Alright, bike.
Stupid kid stole my bike.
Super Ninja? What?
You
want to battle?
So you were stealing bikes. I knew something was suspicious,
What? I just stole a bike. You got it back.
but he had to steal it back. And you took it from him.
So, I'm a bad guy. What am I supposed to do?
That's a good point. I'm a good guy. What am I supposed to do?
Go home? Whimper in your bed? About being defeated by me? Ha, so what? You got my knife. I got an idea. Let's take this to the grass.
There's no way out now.
Wait, just a second. Just a second, gotta tie my shoe.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
So how's it going?
pretty good. It's my new show,
What's it called?
Metallic Murphy Time.
That sounds familiar. Ah, whatever. Oh! I see you're done tying your shoe.
Super Ninja, you go home and whisper in your bed. Go home and leave me alone. Fine. Fine. You win. You can stay. You believe me? Ha!
right. You win.
Go home. Yeah, I'm kind of caught in the bush, but see you next time if there is another one on Metallic Murphy Time. And for the first time, I've defeated Super Ninja.